Yes, well, back with you. Another live video here. Hard to explain on a slideshow, but anyway. What we got going on here is our boiler front smoke box door. And what you can see here, she's very, very loose. Alright? And you can see down in here is a rivet there. And they become loose when you try to adjust these, or you pry it off with a screwdriver or something. So anyhow, this'll tighten back up. All we gotta do is cinch up that rivet again. So what I did is I took some tape, put it on the keystone on the front of the boiler. Okay. And if your decal is still on there, the red and gold, make sure you put a piece of paper on here over it first and then put the tape on. Otherwise the tape may pull part of it off. So just put a piece of paper between the tape and the keystone decal. And that's because we're going to hit this with a hammer and a punch. So what we're going to do is put this over here like this on our flat surface of our vise here. And make sure the headlight lens, or the headlight fixture, the shroud and everything, make sure it's hanging off the edge there. If you put it this way, you see it's going to be at a slant. And then you'll be smushing your headlight shroud. So make sure it's dropped off over the edge there. And then take anything with a flat end on it. Like I said, I'm using this. This is a hinge pin. Sorry about the shakiness. But anyhow, it's got a nice flat end. And it's just round on that end. So we're going to set this down on our rivet here. Keep it square. Keep it straight. Perfectly vertical. Couple taps. See how it did. Just a couple more taps, maybe just one more. You don't want to wail on it now. You'll push this right through the keystone. It's actually molded into the boiler front. So. The rivet, I mean. And a few light taps. Test it again. There it is. Nice and solid. It's not moving around now. That's what we want. And now it'll stay on our boiler. No gaps. And we've saved our headlight and our keystone. That's all I wanted to show there. How to reset that rivet. Don't have to drill it out and glue it on or anything like that. It's nice and solid now. Yeah. It's not going anywhere now. Alright, that'll be that for this. Or that'll be this for that. Cat in the hat.